Mark?
Jules. Hi.
How have you been? Wait. How did you know I was living here? I moved house since we... Are you stalking me?
Listen,
Okay, I get it. This is your grand romantic gesture, is it? This isn't the rom-coms we used to get off to, Mark. This is harassment.
no, really, you've taken this the wrong way.
I miss you too. Is that what you want to hear? Of course I do. Are you kidding me? That weekend in Dublin? We barely got off the hotel. I can't believe you're doing this on my step-nephew's half-birthday.
I just want to say,
I get it. I have these desires too. Let's just say those photos you send me ain't getting deleted anytime soon. But fine. I'm reasonable. Say what you came here to say, but know that this is certainly almost not gonna happen.
you ordered two 16-inch meat feasts?
Keep the change.